Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to in our online class. I introduce to you I Mrs. Arif Inamdar, Veer Wazekar, Associate Professor Veer Wazekar, AC College Punde. Today all of you will learn paper first. Name of the chapter is Molecular Spectroscopy. Already all of you learn rotational spectra. Today all of you learn vibrational spectra. Vibrational spectra mostly used in infrared spectroscopy. At any temperature, the atoms in a molecule undergo periodical displacement from their equilibrium position. Such displacements are called molecular vibration. By means molecules are vibrate. In this molecular spectroscopy, all of you learn first degree of freedom. In polyatomic molecules, the atoms are not rigidly linked together and are able to vibrate from their position of the rest. The number of degree of freedom is equal to sum of the coordinate necessary to locate all the atoms of the molecules in the space. Each atom has 3 degree of freedom, correspondingly 3 Cartesian coordinate in bracket x-axis, y-axis as well as z-axis. I am diagrammatically x-axis, y-axis as well as z-axis. For a molecule containing n atoms, there will be 3n degree of freedom. A molecules which had definite dimension will thus be made up of rotational, translational and vibrational degree of freedom. So the total degree of freedom of the molecules with n atoms thrice n. So thrice n of the freedom equal to rotational, translation as well as vibration. The number of vibrational degree of freedom of the molecules you calculate. Suppose this type of the molecules is linear molecules as well as non-linear molecules. Linear molecules, what is by linear molecules? By means in non-linear molecules having n number of atoms shows 3-dimensional and 3 rotational degree of freedoms. So thrice n is equal to, they are having x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Thrice n is equal to E rotational plus E vibrational plus E translations. Thrice n is equal to, they are rotated from x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Vibrational you find out and translation is 3. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. X plus 6 is equal to thrice n. So therefore at expression of vibrational degree of freedom is non-linear molecules of degree of freedom thrice n minus 1. So formula are using non-linear molecules thrice n minus 3. For example, linear molecules benzene. So n is equal to 12, putting the value of n 12, 3 into 12 is minus 6. 36 minus 6 is equal to 30. The benzenes shows 30 fundamental modes of vibration. Second type of the molecules is linear molecules. Linear molecules, all molecules are linear state. So linear molecules with the atoms possesses 3 degree of transition freedom and 2 degree of rotational freedom. By means this is due to fact rotation of the linear molecules about the axis of linearity does not change the position of the atoms x-axis, y-axis as well as z-axis. So therefore rotational axis one is absent. So 3 plus x plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So x is equal to thrice n minus 5. For example, CO2. CO2 number of atoms is 3. X is equal to 3 into 3 minus 5. So 9 minus 5 is equal to x is equal to 4. So CO2 molecules having 3 fundamental vibrations. The modes of vibrations they are having classified in the following way. The vibration of the polyatomic molecules may be classified into 2 types: stretching and vibrations. Stretching and vibrating and bending vibration. So vibration stretching and bending. Two bonded atoms are normally coincide changing distance between them and without attaining the bond of axis bond angles. There are also two types, isolated and couple. The isolated having symmetrical and unsymmetrical, and bending there are also two types, in of the plane, out of the plane. First is in of the plane, rocking, scissoring, and twisting and wagging. Rocking, there in this way modes of vibrations are popular. Thank you.